In this video, I'll show you how to get more money on Afterpay with a limit increase and explain exactly what you can do to help raise your spending limit over time. Afterpay doesn't let you manually increase your limit inside the app. Instead, the system sets it automatically based on how you use your account, how long you've been a customer, and your overall repayment behavior. But there are specific steps you can take that actually help your limit grow. The most important factor is your repayment history. If you consistently make every payment on time, Afterpay sees you as a reliable user, and that increases your chances of getting a higher limit. On the other hand, if you've missed payments in the past, your limit can drop and stay low until your repayment habits improve. The best way to fix this is simple: never miss a repayment. Pay every installment on time so the system builds trust in your account. If you ever think you might miss a payment, open the Afterpay app and request a due date extension directly from your schedule. You can also contact Afterpay through the Help Center at help.afterpay.com and reach out at least 24 hours before your payment is due. Communicating early helps protect your account and avoids negative impact on your limit. Another factor that affects your limit is how long you've been using Afterpay. New users almost always start with a smaller limit because the system doesn't know your payment habits yet. As you continue shopping responsibly and consistently paying everything on time, your limit can increase naturally without you needing to request anything. You should also avoid declined payments or declined orders. If your card doesn't have enough funds when Afterpay tries to charge the first installment, the order can fail, and that hurts your reliability rating in the system. To prevent this, make sure you have at least 25% of the order's total available on your card at checkout, since that first installment is taken immediately. By keeping your repayments on time, avoiding declines, and building a longer positive history with the app, your Afterpay spending limit increases gradually and automatically, without you having to do anything extra.